Good afternoon. Today I will be talking about loops. There are two types of loops, a for loop and a while loop. A for loop is written as such. First we say for, and then we bring out our parentheses. Then we need to declare a variable, in this case an int, and we'll name it I. This I will then be equal to 1. This declares that int I is equal to the number 1. Then we will need to declare how the value of the I that the loop will go towards. So we will put I is less than or equal to 5. This means that the loop will continue until I is greater than 5, and we'll finish it off with I plus plus, which means every time the loop goes through, 1 will be added to I. So it will go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now for the body of the loop, we will want to do a system.out.print, and this will make an output to the console. And in this output, we'll put the output as I. And if we run the loop, we will see that it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's go through this one step at a time. The variable is declared to be equal to 1, so it goes down to the system.out.print and outputs 1. Then I++ increases I to 2. It goes down to the system.out.print and it outputs a 2. Then the I++ increases it to 3. System.out.print then prints out a 3. And eventually we'll get to when I++ increases it to 5, the system.out.print will send out a 5. I++ will increase to 6, but then it will see here that I is greater than 5, so it will not continue, and the loop will end. Now the second type of loop is a while loop. So let's first declare a variable. In this while loop, we'll be imitating the for loop. So we will declare the variable x, and we'll declare it equal to 1. Now to write a while loop, quite simple. You just write while, get out your parentheses, and then make a parameter. In this case, x is less than or equal to 5. Parentheses, and now we will write system.out.print ln, and we will put in the system.out.print the variable x, semicolon at the end. Okay. Good. And then we'll finish this off with an x plus plus, which will increase the x by 1. Now if we check this loop, we run the program, save it, and you'll see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How the while loop works is that the loop will continue until this becomes wrong. So the x will be outputted and then increased, and once the x is equal to 5, it'll output a 5, then increase it to 6. The while loop will check to see if it's less than or equal to 5, but 6 is greater than 5, so the loop will end. And well, that's loops.